Welcome back. We are continuing our series, Kids in the Kitchen. I'm here with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George and her son Colin in Katie's kitchen.
We are here in the kitchen with Colin, and he's excited to be here, right? Yep. We're making one of his favorite recipes. Can you tell us what we're making today?
Protein balls.
We're making protein balls. So if anybody knows Colin, Colin is a, what kind of fan?
Sports fan.
Sports fan. So we got to make sure that the kids are going to be nourished right, because he does play a lot of games, he does play a lot of sports, and this is one of your favorite recipes. He actually asks a lot, can we make some protein balls? Or you can call them energy bites, you can call them a lot of different things, and this is, again, very, very versatile, okay? So he's my master stirrer, because when you stir peanut butter, it's a workout, right?
Master
yes.
stirrer.
Master stirrer. So we're going to get started, and we're going to just kind of showcase how we do this, and I'm going to talk about how versatile it is. So first off, peanut butter. And so into our bowl we have about a half of a cup of peanut butter. You know, if somebody has a nut allergy, I'll get asked about that a lot. If you kind of want to start stirring that around for me, you absolutely can. You can use a sun butter or a sunflower butter, that would work, or a soy butter, that would be another option. I do get asked that very frequently. So in there, we have about half a cup of peanut butter. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla to smooth it out a little bit. Add that. And then we got to add the stickiness, and the stickiness is going to be honey. And this really is the glue that's going to hold these protein balls or energy bites together. So this can be a little bit of a work of art sometimes, of like, okay, now it's like when you eat cereal with milk, like, okay, I'm done with my cereal. Now I've still got milk left. Now I got to add more cereal to it, and so it's
have to get the ratio right. Yeah.
So you got to get the ratio right, and of course measuring works beauties, but sometimes you still got to kind of toy around with it. So the honey, the peanut butter, and the vanilla is the sticky part.
Okay.
So this is where the protein comes from. Protein's really going to come from the peanut butter. From here, these are called energy bites as well, and our energy is truly going to come from quick oats. Now, any idea why we would use quick oats versus old-fashioned oats? It's a hard question. I told my kids I wouldn't ask them hard questions and like the capital of Arkansas or something like that. So we're going to use those quick oats because they're a little bit easier to chew. Okay. So the old-fashioned oats are just going to be a little bit thicker, and so these are a little bit flatter, and so we're going to add these, and we're going to add about a fourth to a half of a cup. So we're going to sprinkle those in, and you can keep stirring, bud. This is always your job. From here, this is truly where you make it your own. And so, you know, if you like raisins, if you like craisins, if you like coconut, we're making monster energy bites today, or monster protein balls. And so the monster part is going to be, what's your favorite? M&Ms. M&Ms. Nice. That's going to be, so we're just going to add some mini M&Ms. So we're going to stir those in.
You know, I've heard of monster cookies.
For sure.
So and so this is kind of similar, yeah.
We are going to add a little bit of flaxseed, and this is where kids just don't know. Flaxseed is going to add good omega-3s. They're going to add some great fiber. The kids aren't even going to know that they're there. So we're going to add a little bit of flaxseed to it. It just bumps up the nutrition, and why not? You can add coconut, and if somebody likes coconut, add it. There's a lot of people who are like, maybe not my thing. So we're going to add just a little bit to it. And you would want to get the unsweetened kind. Your muscles, are they getting kind of tired?
This is a workout.
I know. And then from there, you're going to want to add just maybe a little bit of chocolate chips as well. Again, you make it your own. We, at our house, we do add a little bit of protein powder to ours because we just want to get a little bit more protein than just from the peanut butter, but you don't have to. Again, it's all about just trying it out.
Yeah.
And if you can see here, we have a pretty thick and sticky like a product there, and from here we get to get our hands dirty, right? So you can make, here is our finished product of our energy protein balls, but you want to grab some and you can kind of start forming them together. It truly is like you're forming a ball. Our hands are going to get a little bit dirty, and that's okay because kids love that. So from here we're just going to form them into balls. you can mass produce these. We freeze them ahead of time, and it just works really great.
Good
Pull them out of
idea.
the freezer, and,
Yeah.
and the next thing you know, we have energy bites for your baseball game, right? Yes.
Awesome.
One of your favorite recipes, right?
Yep.
Yep.
And fun to make.
And
There you
fun
go.
to make.
Exactly.
Yes.
Katie and Colin, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
We'll have the recipe on our website.